Next with me in joining this conversation related with my book about mental health is Ms. Janvi. So Janvi, why did you choose to have a conversation with me?
Because I also love the drama in my life and I need something to keep me sane, so that is when you come into my life.
Okay. Thank you. You can begin asking the first question.
Okay, so I want to keep it around Dr. Dipen being the author.
Okay.
Only the author.
Not the psychologist?
No,
Okay.
not yet. So my first question is, what inspires you to write?
My inspiration. I think my inspiration is my father.
Yes.
There was a time जब उनको रीडिंग का इतना शौक था, वो कुछ कुछ चीजें मुझे पढ़ के सुनाते थे एंड ही यूज्ड टू टेल मी कि पढ़, ये लिटरेचर में जो चीजें तुझे एक्सट्रैक्ट करने मिलेगा, जो एसेंस होगा. जैसे एक बार उन्होंने बोला था कि दिपिन, मैंने एक जगह पे पढ़ा है, मन की हो तो प्रभु कृपा और मन की ना हो तो प्रभु इच्छा. So either it is God's will or God's grace. So these things also, literature helps us to define things. फिर दूसरी कुछ चीजों से जो मैं इंस्पायर हुआ हूँ, that is the people's story. मुझे ऐसा लगता है जब मैं कुछ लोगों की स्टोरी देखता हूँ, सुनता हूँ, ऐसा लगता है इस पे तो कुछ लिखा जाना चाहिए. हर जिंदगी पे एक किताब लिखी जानी चाहिए. उनके कुछ लेसन्स होंगे, कुछ उन्होंने गूफ अप किए होंगे, फिर उसमें उतार चढ़ाव. And then I felt like expressing in terms of words कि इन thoughts के साथ मैं करूँ क्या. So then came a point where I started translating my thoughts into words and words into written words. Initially they were spoken words and then it came into written words. So yeah, I feel like everyone's journey should be written. How about you being an author as well?
I haven't thought about it, but I agree with your point that every person's journey is a story
Yeah,
to be known.
absolutely.
So, very nice initiative. Maybe you can write about my story.
Oh, thank you. The deal is done.
Deal.
Deal.
Okay, so the other question is, what does a day in life of an author like you would look like?
There are certain days when उस स्टोरी के साथ मैं इतना कनेक्टेड हो गया हूँ that I forget the time completely. मुझे याद है कि एक दिन completely for 17 hours I was just writing about this book. और फिर कुछ दिनों का for some reason अगर pause आ जाता है क्योंकि और भी बहुत सारे responsibilities है, तो काफी बार disconnect भी हो जाता है. So there are certain days where you're completely engrossed and certain days you're totally disconnected. So it becomes very difficult to again catch the emotion of the book. So I would feel that जब आप zone में हो, keep continuing that. Don't break your momentum in at that particular process, because writing also requires a lot of creative aspect as well, and creativity requires natural flow. You can create only when things are natural, otherwise it becomes artificial.
True. So true, and I agree on most of the points. But I have another, a little funky question for you.
Okay.
So, what do you think if we do not have the drama in our life? What will our life then look?
I think even the same question is being explored in my book कि कुछ लोग अपने आप को बस उस ड्रामा से ही डिफाइन करते हैं. I have no issues when you have healthy drama. आज हम ये प्लेजेंट ड्रामा कर रहे हैं. हम ये पॉडकास्ट क्यों कर रहे हैं? इस ड्रामा की वजह से हम लोगों तक कुछ बातें पहुंचाना चाहते हैं. बट अगर ये अनहेल्दी ड्रामा है, अगर वो आपके लाइफ में इश्यूज क्रिएट कर रहा है, बट फिर भी इंसान उसी पैटर्न में स्टक है, तो शायद वो अपने आप को डिफाइन कर रहा है उन ड्रामा से. चाहे वो टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप हो, टॉक्सिक वर्क कल्चर हो, फैमिली एनवायरनमेंट हो. I think the book explores a very important point that you have got a choice to choose your drama. So choose the drama wisely. जैसे कुछ लोग को वायलेंट मूवीज देखना नहीं पसंद, कुछ लोग को पसंद है, कुछ लोग को कॉमेडी देखना पसंद है. So why not choose the drama in our life as well, instead of then complaining कि यार ये मेरे साथ क्यों हो रहा है. तो somewhere सबकॉन्शियसली हम वो ड्रामा चूज कर लेते हैं. दैट इज वेयर द बुक कम्स इनटू द प्ले कि शायद कुछ पास्ट के आपके पैटर्न्स रहे हैं चाइल्डहुड टाइम पे जब हमारा अपब्रिंगिंग हो रहा था, एंड सबकॉन्शियसली वो पैटर्न्स बन गए. तो वो एक रीजन होता है कि ड्रामा जरूरी है, बट इट हैज टू बी अ प्लेजेंट ड्रामा.
Okay, so what is the pleasant drama in your life that you like or you choose?
I choose connection over everything, bonding over everything, giving love to others, expressing, passing a smile, having a handshake, all these dramas that builds that connection. So I choose that drama over and over. There are times जब एंगर का भी ड्रामा मैं प्ले करता हूँ, मेरा ईगो भी बीच में आ जाता है, मेरा परफेक्शनिज्म भी बीच में आता है, but I tend to introspect that drama as well. If it is creating a hurt, I am honest enough to acknowledge that. I don't say sorry, वो भी मेरे ईगो पे आता है, but then internally I feel that yeah, I have done something which has hurt someone. I will definitely correct that. So usually I choose connection drama everywhere. I love connecting with people, with places, with everything around me. I'm connecting with this microphone as well. I'm connecting with the mic. I'm connecting with your smile. I'm connecting with the audience. I'm connecting with the person behind the camera. I'm connecting with people over here. कुछ लोग ध्यान दे रहे, कुछ लोग नहीं दे रहे. I'm connecting with you as well. So connection is my drama.
Okay.
What's your drama that you enjoy?
My drama would sometimes be being social, but then sometimes it would be completely into me doing the things that I love. So sometimes even anger is also my drama, emotions is also my drama, but then depends on the circumstances completely. But I think art is something, the drama that I love the most.
Wow.
So
Amazing.
that's it. So one last question that I would want to ask: what inspired you to write this particular book? Like I was once in a therapy session and you had told me there is this
I told you?
Yes.
Okay, so I was a therapist. Oh wow, you're acknowledging publicly. That's
Yes.
quite a courageous thing.
Yes. I would do it later on. I'll tell you my story. But that time I was going through few things and you had told me, do you know this famous author who has written The Fourth Wall? So then I read that book, I met that author, and then I want to know why is this famous author writing another book, and what is this book, why is this book special to you in terms of what things you conveyed through this book that you would want the audience at large to kind of take away.
Yeah. So I want people to rediscover their best version. People who have shared their pain, their sorrows, their traumas, their stories have somewhere got ingrained within me, and that is where I felt that I should be writing about this. कुछ लोगों को तो ये ड्रामा के बारे में पता ही नहीं रहेगा उनके लाइफ में हो रहा है, एंड दे आर स्टक इन दोस पैटर्न्स. उनको शायद ये क्लिक भी नहीं होता है कि थेरेपी के लिए जाए या किसी से बात करे. तो आई फेल्ट के आउट ऑफ क्यूरियोसिटी आल्सो कुछ लोग चलो देखते हैं कुछ क्या है इस बुक में, हमारा कोई पैटर्न यहाँ पे निकल के आता है नहीं आता है, एंड दैट कैन हेल्प पीपल टू रिजॉल्व देयर इश्यूज एज वेल. और अगर उनके लाइफ में ना भी हो तो एटलीस्ट दिस बुक विल गिव देम अवेयरनेस कि किसी की लाइफ में अगर चल रहा है तो हाउ टू हेल्प देम. क्योंकि सबको ऐसा लगता है कि दूसरों की प्रॉब्लम होता है तो मैं अच्छे से सुलझा लेते हूँ, बट मेरे लाइफ में नहीं सुलझा पाती, बिकॉज दैट इज कॉल्ड एज पेप टॉक. हम किसी को पेप टॉक दे सकते हैं, बट साइकोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस इज स्लो. इट रिक्वायर्स डेप्थ, it requires emotions to be explored at a deeper level. So this book was inspired based on the trauma shared by people, and I want the human potential to be achieved at the best. I think that is my motive to give this thing to the society, because there was a time where I went into depression and my family was like, तू तो डॉक्टर है, तुझे क्या जरूरत है. तो ये तो ऐसा हो गया, किसी को डॉक्टर को बोलना है कि अरे तुमको बुखार नहीं आ सकता, तुम तो डॉक्टर हो. किसी को डेंटिस्ट को बोलना है तुझे कैविटी कैसे हो सकती है. किसी हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट को बोलना है तेरे ऐसे बैड हेयर कैसे हो सकते हैं. तो सबकी लाइफ में ये चीज होगा, एंड अवेयरनेस स्प्रेड करना that is the main agenda. So that inspired me. The people's problems, I did not want to just look at that. Being a spectator, I wanted to solve that. अगर मैं कुछ चीजों को सॉल्व नहीं कर पाता हूँ तो then I just pray and I just leave it. That certain things are beyond my control. कहीं पे वॉर हो रहा है, मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा. But at least जिनकी अंदर एक लड़ाई चल रही है, उसमें मैं contribute करना चाहूँगा by helping them.
Okay, so this is also a point for you guys. There is another book that he has written, The Fourth Wall, so you should read that too, along with the book which we are talking about.
Thank you so much. You've been kind enough, and I'm very happy the way you have grown over a period, the way you have resolved your issues. It required courage, patience, and a lot of inner will. I'm very proud of you. I must tell you.